MO.CA mobile house by IAAC in Cerdanyola del Vallès, Spain. MO.CA is a mobile home made of zero-kilometer cross-laminated timber, DLT, and designed within the Master in Advanced Ecological Buildings and Biocities, MAEBB, program developed at the Valldaura Labs campus of the Institute of Advanced Architecture of Catalonia, IAAC. Throughout history, people have exercised their fundamental human right to freedom by combining self-sufficiency with mobility, from migratory tribes to interstellar explorers. In recent decades, the quest for self-sufficiency has been driven by the recognition of global climate change and the associated need for innovative, fossil fuel-independent housing. Even more recently, the rise of remote work opportunities, facilitated by communication technologies and accelerated following the COVID-19 era, has renewed general interest in freedom of movement. In this context, the team of the Master in Advanced Ecological Buildings and Biocities, MAEBB, 2022 to 2023 at the IAAC was tasked with designing and rapidly constructing a prototype mobile home with capacity for 2 people, providing basic household comforts. This home was to be entirely built using zero-kilometer wood, sustainably sourced from the grounds of the Valldaura Labs facilities in the Collserola Natural Park, and then fully processed on-site. Additionally, this construction was meant to allow for other functions within its central space, such as areas for concerts, events, a library, or a meeting place, so that depending on its context, it could serve multiple purposes. The Activities Toolbox provides surfaces and constructive elements that help activate the central space. It is on this side where there is an entrance door that serves as the main access when the facade is closed or not in use. The walls are made of 4 cm thick laminated wood panels with dowels, pins, DLT, which reduces the need for conventional toxic adhesives and maintains the potential for circular reuse. The operational facade of the mobile home consists of 2 complementary layers, a set of glass doors and a fabric envelope, which together allow for adapting the degree of closure of the central space, adjusting to the weather conditions, time of day, and the activities taking place inside. The glass doors, 4 on each side, can be opened, partially open, or closed. When closed, the central space is protected from the external environment. When open, the boundary between the interior and exterior is blurred. The outer layer is designed with lightweight wooden frameworks covered with a water-resistant cotton fabric, secured with ropes. On the longer sides of the house, these facades slide and fold through the mechanical operation of pulleys. The mobile home obtains all its energy from the sun and is equipped to withstand 24 hours of use without the need for recharging. Energy consumption is mainly due to activities inside and a few basic appliances. In line with the lightweight fabric envelope arranged on the roof, a set of 3 lightweight and flexible monocrystalline solar panels connect to a multi-plus inverter, which can also connect to an external grid, and a backup battery. Both the interior and exterior spaces are illuminated with black light LED strips, accentuating the textile enclosure by creating an internal glow. 2 beds are included on the mezzanine level, one of which can be expanded to 2 places, to take advantage of the height of the toolbox areas. It comes with an extendable mattress that allows space for 2 people. A movable ladder, attached to the edge of the bed frame, can be tilted to facilitate accessibility. The kitchen is equipped with a sink, a single-burner stove, and drawers under the countertop. There is also a refrigerator and spaces for hanging utensils. On the kitchen wall, there are indicators for the battery level and the water level in the tank. The bathroom includes a waterless composting toilet and a shower area. The composting toilet system does not use water for flushing, so all black water produced is eliminated, except for that from the kitchen or cleaning. This saves the hassle of disposing or treating black water. The shower water is collected in a capture basin and stored in the greywater tank. It is then filtered and pumped into the recycled water tank and reintroduced into the system. The water is treated using a 3-stage filtering system, followed by a UV filter. Faucet controls allow residents to switch between freshwater tank water or recycled water tank water, depending on the intended use. The other toolbox features a closet to store custom-made furniture. These furniture pieces, when in use, activate the space to host various activities, such as an office, workshops, exhibitions, or concerts. The furniture is designed to fold and take up minimal space. The design is a combination of wood, fabric, and dowels that allows for lightweight assembly. The integrated set includes a table, 6 stools, 2 lounge chairs,